To fix a Galaxy Watch 8 that is not connecting to an iPhone, you can do these basic troubleshooting steps. First is to power off your iPhone and then the Galaxy Watch, then turn them back on. Ensure that the Bluetooth is on both devices. On iPhone, you can check the wearable apps permission in settings inside the apps and then find the Galaxy wearable application and set the location to on. Make sure that your iPhone OS or the Galaxy wearable app and your watch software are all up to date and ensure that both devices have sufficient battery, which is greater than 25%, and keep the watch and phone close within 30 feet and away from interference. And aside from that, you can do some advanced steps like resetting the network settings for your iPhone by unpair and forgetting the device and then clearing the cache of the wearable application. And that's how you can fix the not connecting problem to iPhone of Galaxy Watch 8, and thank you for listening.